no? This? Huh? You want that? But he's here. What? Huh? Open up? No, open that because she here. Hola! Open this door, huh? 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 You see me? Thank you. Oh? You want to talk now?
Happy?
Yeah, happy.
So guys, good morning. Nakikipag-usap ang aking aso sa kanyang daddy na open yung door. Don't too much. You put there too much? O, kumusta na, Clark? Masaya? Bella, come on here. Come run. Come run. Get the ball. Football na ikaw, dali. Football ikaw, dali. Yay! Wala sa mod. Kunin natin yung kanyang foods dito, guys. Ayan. So, parang ayaw niyang kainin bagong ano to eh. Bella, oh. Bella! Ayaw. Ayaw niya, love.
I don't want you to see
Ayaw nga.
the food. You see that?
So, yung breakfast natin, guys, is saging. Ayan. May chili. Nilagay ko na lang yung chili dito. Yung coffee. Sa akin yung, yan lang. Dali, eat. Eat your food. Eat. Mas maganda siguro nito, guys, is lagyan siya ng ano, ng konting hindi kasi ito yung kinakain niya eh, yung kompleto, yung 3 kinds, yung ano, or 4 kinds yata yan, 4 color. No? So, ito yung binili ng asawa ko kasi nga, wala pa yung ano, nag-order pa lang kami sa online, 1 kilo, tapos may nakita siya sa 7-Eleven, ito, ganitong klaseng dog, cat food. Ayaw niyang kainin, mas gusto niyang kainin yung ano, palagi niyang kinakain. Kain. Kain ikaw, dali, kain ikaw. Ayaw. Clark! Hello! Happy? Open the door. Go, enjoy. Sige na. Play the ano, egg. Play the egg. Yan yung gusto niya, oh, yung white color. Gusto ni Bella yung ng pusa, yung puti na ano. Oh. Ayan. Mas gusto niya laruin yung itlog kaysa bola. Tired? Tired na? Come, get the egg. Cute. So, get the egg. Good girl. Nakakaintindi siya, guys. Sige. Kick it. Good girl. Ang galing niya manipa. Oh, get again. Bella, let's go get the egg again. Clark. Clarky boy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.